politeness to all visitors. But do they have to practice that too? Now for the oldest horse race in the world, and there goes the jockey of the horse I backed. The race is called the Palio di Siena, and it's run exactly as it was 280 years ago. 3 times round the piazza, each for himself, and may the devil take the hindmost. The jockeys can foul as much as they like, and the punters lose their money as easily as in any other race. At Clonmel, President de Valera attends the Irish national sports, some of which are most peculiar.